Hello and welcome, Daria here, and for today's video I was playing with our new Panda Die. I'm sure many of you love it as it's very cute and very adorable, and it's so easy to make all those lovely projects using it. But today I wanted to show you that you also can utilize all those leftovers to make lots of different projects. Very easy, very fun, and hope you like it. To start off, I took a tag die from our classic tag to die set, and I cut it to pieces from light gray and Audrey blue cardstock, and then just adhered all the little pieces with the foam tape. While playing with the position of your eyes and eyebrows, you can make all the kind of different faces, and each time it could be a little bit different. It could be a little gloomy or more funny face, and I think it's what makes it so fun to play with, and I hope you will give it a try. I added a sentiment from So Many Sentiments stamp set and stamped it on a white strip of paper to make it pop a little bit, and then just added a few sequins and blue ribbon, and that was it. That's my project for today. Hope you like it and we'll give it a try. Let me know what you think, or if you have any questions. Let's stay in touch and have a great day. Bye.